You need to discover the magic of making your own powerful, all-natural stain remover. Say goodbye to tough stains and hello to a fresh, clean start with ingredients you can trust. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. Today we're making the Bye Bye Stain Remover recipe, and trust me, you're going to love it. This little miracle mix will be your new best friend for tackling those pesky stains that just won't quit. Before we dive into this recipe, here at Simply Earth, we're all about making natural DIY products easy and fun. Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and we'll ship the key ingredients right to your door. Plus, you'll get a free big bonus box. Prefer to grab your own ingredients? Grab everything you need at simplyearth.com. Let's get crafty. Why go natural? Store-bought stain removers are packed with harsh chemicals that can irritate your skin and harm our home environment. But with this recipe, you're in control. Every ingredient is safe, natural, and effective. So turn off distractions because making is healing. Let's make Bye Bye Stain Remover together. From your box, you will need 1 tablespoon Castile soap, 5 drops lemon eucalyptus essential oil blend. This oil cleanses and boosts immunity. From your home, you will need 1 tablespoon of distilled water and a 1-ounce spray bottle. In a small bowl, mix together the Castile soap and lemon eucalyptus essential oil blend. Add to a spray bottle. Fill the rest of the way with distilled water. To use, shake and spray onto the stain. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. Blot away with a clean cloth or rinse with cold water. Here's a tip. Always test on a small area of the fabric first to ensure it doesn't cause discoloration. Enjoy your homemade stain remover. Don't forget to label it. Goodbye stain, hello clean fabric. You can make this too. Make this recipe, take a picture, and share it with #IMadeThis. Don't forget to tag From Simply Earth for your chance to win a $5 gift card and get featured on our socials. Let's see your masterpieces. Love easy natural DIYs? Subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box and make creating your products a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, stick around. More fun and natural DIY recipes are coming up right after this.